Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Bresler, and thank you for visiting the Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation website. I'm here today to guide you on how to properly care for your child's teeth and gums during their fight against cancer. In this video, we'll talk about what to expect at your child's dental visits and how to practice good oral hygiene before their treatment begins. As a board-certified pediatric dentist in Philadelphia, I know how easily dental health can be pushed to the side, especially during hectic times in your life. At Doc Bresler's Cavity Busters, we understand the upset and stress when learning about your child's diagnosis. We hope this video series helps alleviate some of that stress by improving your child's dental and overall health. Before treatment starts, you should visit your child's dentist for a thorough dental exam. If you've already started treatment, that's okay. What we'll talk about in this video series is still important. It can help you take steps towards better dental health for your child and encourage them to practice healthy habits. At your pre-treatment exam, your dentist will identify any existing or potential sources of infection and may wish to perform an x-ray to look for active dental disease. They might also recommend treatment, which could range anywhere from a simple cleaning to fillings, nerve therapy, or even an extraction. And depending on how old your child is, an antibacterial mouthwash may be recommended. If your child's over 13, you may want to ask your dentist about third molar extractions, which could prevent unwanted complications after treatment's completed. This is especially important to consider if your child will be receiving head or neck radiation. Your dentist is there to help eliminate and prevent infection. Because your child's immune system may be weak during treatment, prevention is extremely critical, as oral infection could lead to more serious issues. Be sure to tell your dentist about your child's diagnosis, since it could affect the decisions they make regarding treatment options. Often, more aggressive dental treatment is recommended for cancer patients. The mouth is the gateway to the rest of the body, and good oral health promotes good overall health. We can try to maintain both by flossing and brushing twice daily with a fluoride toothpaste. It's important not only to brush and floss, but to do it effectively. Now we're going to show you how to brush your teeth with the help of my friend Buster here. Now the first thing you need is the right toothbrush. Whether you use a manual brush like this or an electric brush, it should always have soft bristles. That's very important so that you don't do any damage to your teeth or your gums while you're brushing your teeth. The next most important thing is to make sure you're brushing for the proper time. We all know we want to brush for 2 minutes. So while some electric brushes have built-in timers, the manual ones you have to figure out for yourself. So the way that you do that is if we split the mouth up into 4 areas: upper right, upper left, bottom right, and you brush each one for 30 seconds. While we're brushing the teeth, we want to make sure we get all 3 surfaces that are accessible with the brush. And those surfaces are the outside, the chewing surface, and then the inside. So we want to make sure we're getting all of those surfaces while we're brushing. Now when we're brushing at the gum line, it's very important to tilt the brush at a 45-degree angle and make sure you massage underneath the gums so that any plaque or debris is removed during the brushing process, so that we know that gum line is clean so you don't get gingivitis. Also, once you're done brushing, it's very important to brush your tongue. So brush the tongue by sweeping forward and making sure we get all that plaque and food that gets stuck in those deep grooves out so that you get rid of all that plaque and food and bacteria that's on it that causes bad breath. Remember, you should never feel afraid to ask your dentist questions. This is a fight, and you're not alone. The more you know, the better you can ensure your child receives the proper care. Thank you for watching and for visiting the Alex's Lemonade Stand Foundation website.